Hello, my dear students of class 5. Welcome to maths class once again. As in my previous class, I have completed. Let's recap. Today, I'm going to start exercise 5.1. Okay, we will do 5 questions today and left one in my next class. Okay, so what is question number 1? Write down 3 multiples of each of the following numbers. So here we are going to write the multiples of the following numbers. Multiples means what? You have to write the table only, and 3 multiples. So you know that the number itself is also the multiple. Okay, but here they have asked except this. We will write from 2. Okay, 1111 2 ja, 3 ja and 4 ja. Okay, so let us start to write the multiples. Again I will tell multiples means we have to write the table only. Okay. So what is the number? 1111. So I said we will not write this. Okay, we will write except this, other than this. So 1111 2 ja how much? So what you can do? You can multiply by 2. Okay. 1111 into 2. So how much you will get? See, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So what is the next multiple? 2222. Now what you can do? We want 3 multiples. So now what you will do? You will multiply by 3. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. Okay, so what is the next multiple? 3333. Now what you have to do next? You have to multiply by 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. So what is the next multiple? 4444. So we have to just 3 multiples. So we have written 3 multiples. Okay. The number itself is also the multiple, but we will write except this. Okay, the other 3. 1111 2 ja, 3 ja and 4 ja. Okay, multiples are nothing, but we have to write just the table. Okay. Now let us see one more example of this question. So we have to write 3 multiples of this 2391. So let us start. First we will multiply by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 8, 1 carry, 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 2 ja 4. So 2391 2 ja how much? 4782. 4782. Now what you have to do? By 3. 2391 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, 2 carry. 3 3 ja 9, 10, 11, 1 here, 1 carry. 2 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So what is the next multiple? 7173. Now one more we have to write. We have to write 3 multiples. So we have got 2. One more, 2391 into 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36, 3 carry. 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 5 1 carry. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 is what? 9. So what is the next multiple? 9564. Okay, so these are the multiples. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Same way the left one questions, you can see here the left one questions, same way you will do, because these numbers are big, no? 6140 is there. Okay, this is 86,940. This one is 93,786. So these are the big numbers. So what you can do? You can multiply by 2, 3, 4 and you can write their multiples. Okay, now let us see question number 2. Question number 2. Write down 3 factors other than 1 and the number itself for each of the following numbers. So now here we are going to write 3 factors. You can write any 3 factors. Okay, there are many factors. Factors means in which table this number comes. I already have taught you about multiples, about factors in my previous class when I have started. Let's recap. Okay, so we have to write the factors of this number, but 1 and the number itself we will not write. Okay, because they are also the factors of their own table and 1 is also the factor of every number. So except this we will write any 3 factor in which this table comes. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so now let us write the factors of this. So factors means I have already said you in easy way. You can say that in which table this number come. Okay, and what is the number? 17,100. So it is a big number. So how to know? So easy way, you can see the last digit, the digit at ones place is what? 0. That means this number comes in the table of 2 also. Okay, you know no that for 2 what you have to see, the divisibility for 2, that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means this will come in the table of 2. I will teach you about the divisibility in detail, but you know about this 2 and 3 and all. Okay, so this will come in the table of 2. I have to write 3 factors now. Now any 3 factors you can write. This will even come in the table of 3 also. Okay, you can check by the divisibility. Now I'll teach you one more, the easy one is that let us check for 5. Okay, you know that for 5 what you have to see, the last digit should be 0 or 5. So you can see now the last digit is 0, that means this will come in the table of 5 also. Now directly come to the table of 10. You can see here the last digit is what? 0. That means this number will also come in the table of 10. Here they have given this easy one factors. Okay, it will come in the table of 3 also. Okay, but just to make you understand easily, so they have given this small factor which you could have understood easily. Okay, so for 2 you have to see the last digit, for 5 also, for 10 also, and you can see it is easy to do. Okay, now let us write the factor of this 46,008. Okay, so you can see the last digit is what? 8. That means this will come in the table of 2. Okay, now let us see, will this come in the table of 3 or not? So what you have to do for 3, I have taught you in my let's recap. Okay, about 3 and 5. So for 3 what you have to do, you have to add all this. So 4 plus 6, what you have to do, you have to add all the digits. 4 plus 6, this is 0, leave it, plus 8, how much you will get? 18. So 18 comes in the table of 3. Yes, that means this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so this will come, this number will come in the table of 3. That means 3 is the factor of this number. Now the next, will this number come in the table of 4 or not? Is that you have to see the last 2 digit. For table of 4 what you have to do, you have to see the last 2 digit, and the last 2 digits should be divisible by the table of 4. So what it is? 0 and 8. Okay, so 0 and 8, so 0 will leave, then what is there? 8. So 8 is divisible by 4, 4 to ja 8. That means this number is divisible by 4, and this number comes in the table of 4, and 4 is the factor of this number. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Factors means you have to write those number in which this number comes. Okay, you have to write those number table in which this number comes. Okay, now let us see the next question. Now question number 3, find all the factors of the number 28. Now here we are going to write all the factors of 28, means in which table this 28 comes. Okay, so let us start. So let us start all the factors. So in easy way I have already said you factors means we have to write the table number in which this 28 comes. Okay, so 28. So let us write, first of all, what will the factor of 28? You know that 1 is the factor of every number. So 28 comes in the table of 1 now. So we'll write 1. Okay, this 28 will come in the table of 2. See the last digit what? 8. That means yes, it will come in the table of 2. Okay, 2 14 ja 28. Okay, will this come in the table of 3? No, 28 doesn't come in the table of 3. In table of 4, yes, 4 7 ja 28. Will this come in the 5 table? No. 6 table? No. 7 table? Yes, 7 4 ja 28. Okay, now this will come directly in the table of 14. 14 2 ja what? 28. So here we will write directly 14, and it will come in its own table. Every number is a factor of its own, no? So it will come in the own table. So these are the factors of 28. We have written all the factors. This 28 factors 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors of 28. Okay, in this table 28 comes. Okay, so now let us see the next question. Now question number 4 is find all the 3-digit multiples of the number 99. Here we are going to write the table of 99. Multiples means what? What the product we get is the multiple. That means we'll write the table of 99 and it should have 3 digit. Okay, not 2 digit, 1 digit. It should have 3 digit. Till we get the 3 digit we will write. When we will get the 4 digit we will stop. We have to write the multiples which should be just 3 digit one. Okay, so let us start. So we have to write all the 3-digit multiples of 99. No? So 99 1 ja 99. Okay. 99 2 ja how much? What you can do? Now you are kids. No? So what you can do? You can multiply by 2 and see. 2 9 ja 18. 8 1 carry. 2 9 ja 18 plus 1 is what? 19. Okay. So you can see we got the 3 digit. So 198 we have written. Again what you can do? You can multiply by 3. 3 9 ja 27, 2 carry, 3 9 ja 27 plus 2 is what? 29. So how much we got? 297. Again you can multiply by 4. 4 9 ja 36, 3 carry. 4 9 ja 36 plus 3 is what? 39. Okay. Then again you can multiply by 5. 5 9 ja 45, 4 carry. 5 9 ja 45 plus 4 is what? 49. Okay. So what it is? 495. We have to write all the 3-digit multiple of 19. That is why I am multiplying and I am saying. Okay. 99 into 6, 6 9 ja 54, 5 carry, 6 9 ja 54 plus 5 is what? 59. Okay. So what it is? 594. Now 99 into 7. Okay, we have written up to 6. Now 9 7 is 63, 6 carry, 9 7 is 63 plus 6 will be how much? 69. Okay. Now 99 into 8. So 8 9 is 72, 7 carry, 8 9 is 72 plus 7 was 79. Okay, so I am writing here, space is not there. So 792. Now 99 into 9. 9 9 is 81, 1 here, 8 carry. 9 9 is 81 plus 8 is what? 89. So again we got 891. Okay, now let's check for the 10. So 99 into 10 is very easy. No, 99 into 10 will what? We can write here easily. 990. Okay. Now we have to write all the 3 digits. No, if I will multiply this 99 by 11, I will get the 4 digit. Okay. I'll get 4 digit. So I don't need to write that. Just we have to write up to 3 digit multiples. So these are the 3 digit multiples of 99. Okay. These are the 3 multiples. I hope you are understanding. As this 99 you don't know the table, so what you can do, you can multiply this way and you can write, okay, the multiples. Okay, so now let us see question number 5. Now I am doing this question number 5 as the last question. Okay, so 5, what is the question? Write 3 common multiples of 120 and 150. Now see here, one hint is given here. Find 3 common multiples of 12 and 15. So you can see here that hint is given. Okay, find 3 common multiples of 12 and 15. To make it easy, okay, there they have given that we have to find 3 common multiples of 120 and 150. That means we have to write the table of 120 and 150 and we have to find 3 common multiples. Okay, so that is why they have given us hint. This was what is a little big number, 120 150, to write the table. So that is why they have given us hint that we have to find the 3 common multiples of 12 and 15. Okay, whatever the common multiples we will get, what we will do, we will add 0 there, then it will become the common multiples of what? 120 and 150. You can even do by writing the multiples of 120 and 150. Okay, so according to hint, if we will do, it will be more easy for us. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so now let us do it. According to question, they have asked 3 common multiples of 120 and 150. Okay, but if we will see according to the hint, it will become more easy for us to do. Okay, they have said us to find the 3 common multiples of what? 12 and 15. Okay, so we will find the common multiples of 12 and 15 and then we will convert that into the multiples of what? 120 and 150. Okay, so let us write the multiples of 12. So what are they? Multiples means you try the table only. Okay, so 12 1 is 12, then 2 ja 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, then 120. Okay, so now I have written till what, till 10 only. Okay, I have written the 10 multiples of 12. Let me write the 10 multiples of 15. If I will not get 3 common multiples, so I'll write what, more multiples. What you have to do, you have to write more multiples then. Okay, so 15 1 ja 15, okay, 2 ja 30, 3 ja 45, then 60. Okay, you have to write the table only. Okay, I'm writing the table only directly. 90, 105, okay, then 120, 135, 150. Okay, so till 10 I have written. Now let us see any common is there or not. So you can see that 60 is common. Okay, and what is common? 120 is common. But in question what is written, that we have to find 3 common multiples, but we have got just 2 common multiples. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write more. So what you have to do, 12 11 ja, then 12 12 ja, like that you have to write. So 12 11 ja, how much? 132. 12 12 ja what? 144. 12 13 ja, how much? 156. Okay, you have to multiply. 12 14 ja 168. Okay, and 12 15 ja 180. Okay, so let us write here up to 15 again, and let us see if it will be not, we will write more. Okay, so 150 up to we have written. So 15 11 ja, how much? 15 11 ja 165. 15 12 ja 180. See, I will stop here only because I have seen one common, 180. That is why I have stopped. I have not written till 15 because I have got the common. So what is the common multiple? Common multiples of 12 and 15. What are they? Are 60, 120, and what, 180. Okay, so there are so many multiples, so on. Multiples are many. Okay, there is no ending for multiples. So what are the common multiples of 12 and 15? 60, 120, 180. Now see, according to the question what they have asked, they have asked the common multiples of 120 and 150. But here we have find the common multiple of what, 12 and 15. So how to do now? So see here now how we will get the common multiples. I know you might be thinking that in the question it is given to find the common multiples of what, 120 and 150. But here we have found the common multiples of 12 and 15. So see here, this is 120, this is 150, this is 12, this is 15. So if I will multiply this 12 by 10, what it will become? It will become 120 only. If I will multiply 15 by 10, what it will become? It will become 150 only. So same, what we will do? Write the common multiples. Okay, 60, 120, okay, 180. Now here you see I have multiplied it by 10. No, so I'll add here 0 because this is 120. Add 1 0. This is 120 and 50. Now it has become the common multiples of what? It has become the common multiple of 120 and 150. See, it is so easy. First you have to find the what is according to hint. You have to find the multiples of 12 and 15, and from there you have to get the common multiples. Okay, if you will not get, that means you have to write more multiples, and then what you have to do, it is 120 150, add 0, it will become the multiples of what, common multiples of what, 120 and 150. So it is so easy. Okay, so in same way question number 6 you will do as homework. Here you have to find the 3 common multiples of 1000. What is it? 1000, 1500, 1200. So according to hints you will write. So according to hint you will write the multiples of what? 10, 15, 12. Okay. And whatever the common multiples you will get, what you will do? You will add that 2 0. How many 0? 2 0. You can see now here 10, 15, 12. So how many zeros you have to add in the common multiples? To get the common multiples of 1000, 1500 and 200, you have to add 2 zeros. Okay, so I hope you have understood this questions whatever I have explained you today. In my next class I will do the other questions. Okay, so whatever I have done you will do in your copy as a classwork, and few questions I'll give you as a homework. Okay, so for today up to this much. Thank you.